sometimes we get ourselves in situations whereby our SIM card is not working no more due to PUK code or PUK lock. I'm here to show you how to get access to this code. We have instances whereby you can get your SIM card blocked due to PUK lock or PUK code. One, obi wɔ hɔ a na omiamia ne phone so onim baabi a ɔnenam obetumi anya PUK lock. Obi wɔ nso a ɔnenam settings onim baabi a wɔkɔ obi sɛ o SIM no nso betumi anya dɛn ablock it. Here is Elkannah Diaries. If today is your first time visiting me, subscribe to this channel. Hit on the notification bell as well so that you won't miss any of my future updates. Yeah, abusuafo, send a message say America no. PUK code no. This have been a lot of problem for we the Ghanaians. Sometimes so better SIM card no. We will turn a SIM card na no ato the SIM nation na to actually. But obi maybe on the phone so na PUK lock na better so. Then the person will start wondering how he or she can get access to that PUK code. If I just offer MTN office. Now maybe I want name MTN office move one so and I say you have to do SIM replacement and stuff. And there are some cases here in Ghana whereby people buy SIM cards with registered, like SIM cards whereby it's already registered. Or better SIM card near registered with that. So in case of such problems, the person will find it very difficult to get access to the PUK code. If they require information or already register a SIM card. So don't wait for the SIM to get blocked before you start wondering how you can get your PUK code. And without wasting your time, let's start. Do is dial *1333 3 then you send. Or send there. If today is your first time dialing this code, it will tell you to register and have access. So Bibia Obeyen Hobia, you need to enter a 4-digit PIN code, and you have to register to serve MTN self services. So number one is register. So you register and enter a 4-digit PIN code. So let's say 2015. Then you have to confirm your code. So 2015. So I'll say MTN self registration requests have been submitted successfully for processing. You will receive an SMS soon. Thank you. So you have to wait for the SMS to come, whether it was accepted or not. So, and this code, don't play with it. Okay, in the message now, I'll say congratulations, you have successfully subscribed to MTN self services. Who code now you register, so you have to go back and dial the code again. So *1333#, then you send. Until you send it. Ubetimi update pin, ubetimi access pin. So after this tutorial, you know I'm going to change it, right? I'm just saying. So go to number 2, access services. So access services, and you see disconnect number, reconnect number, and then as I say, don't play with this code. So I'm teaching you get your PUK code. Just come here and do what we are teaching you and just go back. And here in fact you can get your SIM card blocked. So number 4 is get your PUK. And it was a request for PUK for self, then request for others. That means you can request PUK for yourself and for others. So number 1 was for self and number 2 was for others. So I say enter self service pin. Pin now, yes, I say the register and you enter it. Mine was 2015. So I've entered it. I say your self PUK code requests have been submitted successfully for processing. You will receive an SMS soon. Thank you. And Ubon say PUK 8 digits. And after MTN for I share the request you just sent, they will send an SMS that contains your PUK code. You can write it somewhere in case of any problem or in case you face any problem. you won't find wandering like going to MTN office or going to any place for SIM replacement or stuff. You just dial the PUK they sent you in a straight away for it. So let's just wait for the SMS. Yeah, that's a message biaba. Yeah, sure. So this it. So dear MTN subscriber, your PUK is 66702055. Enjoy free SMS chat. That's it. So without your SIM toolkit, we are having access to your PUK code right now. So you can write this code somewhere in case you find your SIM card blocked. Sorry, you can use this code to enter. Sometimes obi befa phone omiamia so ni baby onam na ni bete na code na block it and obi so the password beto ne phone so na wontimi nya den access to the PUK code. So thank you for stepping by. Don't leave without subscribing, please. Don't leave without subscribing. We are having more content like this for you, so please subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you.